Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Adobe Acrobat in your Windows in a very simple way. What you can do, you can simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Adobe Acrobat. Then after you're going to get this first website, click on that, and now here you can simply click on download Acrobat Reader, and now you get the download option. Click on the download and you're going to get the install.exe file. So click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, click run, click yes for the permission. Now you can simply close all of your backgrounds app, and as you can see right now, the Adobe Acrobat is rightly installing in your computer. So now as you can see that the Adobe Acrobat is rightly downloaded. Now if you click on the finish option, now click on the Adobe Acrobat, and now as you can see, Adobe Acrobat is rightly opened in our computer, as you can see. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install Adobe Acrobat in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another video. Till then, goodbye.